Ever hit the publish button on Medium and wondered where your precious words are going? Hopefully not into the void. Just kidding. A few months ago, Medium updated its partner program and introduced the Boost. Even top earners Sinem Günel and Züli Rain told me in our interview that the Boost means all or nothing. The winner takes it all. If you want to get read, you need to get boosted. This is the VIP lane. But what about organic reach and distribution? Let's pull back the curtain based on Medium's latest update on its quality guidelines for the Boost, which also tells us a lot about the 3 updated distribution categories. Good news, there is a method to the madness. If you hit publish, your stories land in one of these 3 categories: boosted, general distribution, or network only. Yep. That's it. 3 categories steer the fate of your storytelling. Intrigued? So let's learn more. Boosted, the VIP lane. Imagine Medium's curation team sitting in their hip office in San Francisco, zipping on latte, scouring for gems. The needle in the hay, your gem. If they pick your story, it gets boosted and is shown to a wider audience like it is the belle of the ball. Number 2. General distribution, the beating heart of Medium. This is where most stories find their home. If your story is generally well behaved, meaning it doesn't break any Medium rules, it gets distributed to readers who are genuinely interested in what you have to say. They follow the topics you write about, or they follow you or the publication you are in. General distribution is the natural habitat for stories. No jazz, no frills, just good old content finding its way to people who care. Number 3. Network only, the cozy nook. Oh, the sweet, intimate setting of network-only stories. These stories are like those indie coffee shops frequented by friends who love to talk about the latest news. If your story falls under this category, for instance, a meta story about Medium, it means the distribution is limited to your network of followers and the publication if you are in one. Don't underestimate this nook, because your story is still searchable, shareable, and lovable, just in a smaller scale. Whenever I write a meta story about Medium, I know that it is network only, but that's fine for me. With my following and the publications I chose, for instance, New Writers Welcome, it reaches the right audience. So why should you care about all this? Simple. Knowing how Medium works can help you tailor your stories to reach the right eyes, or a lot of eyes. But here is the kicker. No single lane promises fame or obscurity. Stories that aren't boosted can and do rake in thousands of views. Want to learn more about the current state of Medium? Check out my other Medium videos.